Our tomato is boiling. I love boiling my tomato to cook my beans. I don't like frying it. I boil it. Look at that's my rice over there. This rice, I'm parboiling it to boil a bit. Then I wash it and put it inside the rice boiler. So now I'm parboiling. I wash it, but my tomato is here cooking. Cover and wait. The beans is already ready, waiting to mend. See, the beans is ready. This is our fish that we'll put inside our beans. Bunga. This has to be fed now. This is another one. This is another fish that I'm selling. I beg, Mimi said I chop. So we'll be boiling water. Put inside. These are our spices. With the razor. It was inside the freezer. I preserve it inside the freezer. So we're waiting it. Grind everything together with ginger, garlic, pepper, you know, our spice, green spice. Is it the ginger, garlic, onion, fish, fish inside water. Making the rice. Parboil, wash it. Washing the rice. Putting the rice. The pepper. We have our pepper, garlic, ginger, onion. So our bell pepper would enter inside. We go blend them so that we get a delicious. We will put pepper. We will put onion, garlic. Then we go put ginger. Then we put our green spice. Our tomato is ready. This is where we grind our spice, pepper, onion, ginger, garlic, and later I will put crayfish inside. I just join everything, joinable, grind them while I dey look our tomatoes ready for fire. Thank you. Our grind is ready. Guys, look at we good with the turn, pepper, green spice, ginger, garlic, everything. This is our dry fish. Our dry fish. Voila. So we'll be mixing it, cooking it with dry fish. So when everything is ready here, then we'll put it inside the beans. Sunflower oil. Guys, this is 5 liter. These are the spices. Everything we'll be cooking. Where I put my crayfish, I had to grind wet not dry. So this is crayfish. It is sweet for beans. Process of my grinding crayfish continue, and thereby we put now inside, we put oil, red oil beans. Now it is sweet. Guys, I was cooking red oil beans. I have to put the red oil, the crayfish, the dry fish, then then later we'll put it all inside the pot of beans, because beans is already parboiled, it's already steamed, boiled, cooked. It's waiting there for these spices to be ready before now we'll take and put. Look at my red oil. It's very sweet. When was the last time you eat red oil beans? Have a nice day. Help me share the video. They say know how to cook. You say no. Your mama teach you. You say no, you know one. Look at na red oil beans and stewed tomato inside. They say know how to cook, you know want. Yes, want to cook the red oil beans. After we put inside the beans, let everything boil together, steam together. So guys, we'll put in our crayfish. Crayfish. This is our crayfish. I grind it wet. So we cover everything mixed together, because it was tomatoes, all the spices. Crayfish wet. Everything rinsable. The crayfish, no small no go remain inside the machine, so that's why I was rinsing for put them. Oil must go all before they throw the liter. I keep on stirring the pot of tomatoes. This is it. It is ready now to put inside the beans. Then you leave the beans some time to steam to get